I'm gonna be removing these axles. And putting them on this rear end. Got the 1/2-inch socket on there. You're gonna find your little bolt. You gotta spin that up there, where your drive shaft goes into. So you get this bolt over here. As you can see, this is a open diff. Then you take your 5/16 wrench, you break that loose. And you get your pin out. Then we gotta get this out. Get this pin out. Then you come over to the sides and push that in. And that clip already fell. C clip is supposed to be in there, already fell. Here it is. And do the same thing to the other side. I heard that one fall too. Sometimes they don't fall out that easily. We got lucky. And now, these axles are ready to get pulled out. That's how easy it is. There's the axle. Inspecting it. Really good. Now I'm going to do the same thing to the rear end that's in the car. Normally this pin just comes right out, but this one I'm having trouble getting it out of there. It's tight. I've been using the hammer. got it out finally. I took a lot of messing around with it and hammering it from the other side. As you can see, this was kind of messed up here. Where it goes into. No, these are hard to get out. Makes it a little bit harder because it's posi. Alright. So clip out. I don't know why I had to beat the axles in from the outside to get the C-clips off, but that's what I had to do. Here's one. And the other, I have no idea where it's in there. Got that old seal out. I'm going to put the new one in. I'll just do the same to this side. It's leaking a lot of oil. Oil it up a bit. What a mess. Try to make it as even as possible. I know there's a special tool for this, but I don't have it, so we're just gonna slowly tap it in, work it in all the way around. Just do very light taps all around. You don't want to mess anything up. And do the same thing to this side. Just lube it up a little. Some oil on there. It's not good. There's a couple metal shavings here. That is not good. We're gonna see how long this rear end lasts. It's got some play some pinion plays, playing the gears. Then you just put your other axle in there, push it in all the way. I recommend to use something like a small mallet, bigger hammer. That way you hit it evenly. When you slide the axle in, you want to pick it up as you're sliding it in from here. You don't just want to let it rub across your brand new seal because it might damage it. Then you just put your C-clips in there. You just slide your pin in there. I have to use a hammer on mine because something's messed up here. And then you put your bolt back in. And hopefully we got it lined up. Looks like we don't have it lined up. So I'm going in. Got some of this gasket maker on there. Now I'm about to put the cover back on. I got these from Quick Performance. These are for the G-body. Bearings and seals for the rear end. Yukon Gear and Axle brand. They look like they're good quality. We're gonna find out. That's the part number on them. Looks like they're the cheapest online for G-body rear end parts. For good quality stuff. I paid only $33 for them.